Could you hear me now?
Can you
Okay.
hear me?
Change. Still have no elevation. Oh, it's okay. So welcome again.
Can you hear me?
Okay, 听得见了。
Okay, okay.
Let's introduce again.
Next, we will introduce you the Bennett flow meter and Bennett pump.
Welcome to people come to review shows. Welcome people come to see our review shows.
Welcome people to see our live shows.
This is Cindy. This is Adam. It's the last review shows for the fuel dispensers before the Chinese New Year, or we also call it Spring Festivals. Okay. So this is a gift for you. You can see as here, right? This is a token. As a black one, this is a pump and a flow meter. This is popular in the Nigeria, Kenya, Mozambique, Tanzania, and the Ethiopia. Most African people like that. This is a bender one. Oh, forget to tell you. This is a heavier one because the raw material is a coast island. This one is we call the Benita type. This is aluminum, light one, and popular in the Middle Asians, like Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, like the Stan company, like this one, and it's light, and the flow rate is higher than the tokens. The next to the Benita is the Tatasuna one. Tatasuna is a popular in Southeast Asia, like Philippines, Laos, Thailand, and Indonesia, and Malaysia. Also some Pakistan, like this one, some African countries like the Uganda, and there's Cameroon people like this one. Oh, forget, this South Africa people also like Benin. These four types made by aluminum and some little light. One more thing. Benita is a van pump. This have blade inside. So flow rate is higher than Tatasuno and the Tokens because Tatasuno is a gear pump and the Token also is a gear pump. So Cindy, so which pump and flow meter you like best for your own station use?
I will choose Tatsuno flow meter and Tatsuno pump.
Yes, it's very nice. Why don't you choose the Bennett? It's cost lower and easy for maintenance. You still insist them, okay, no problem. You like them, it's okay. Based on the customer behaviors, right? So even I can choose many things. So can I get the photo about the fuel dispenser in your backside? So Cindy tell you the type of the suction type. For instance, we just introduced as a suction type. Cindy replace again. Okay.
Okay, there are four combinations of flow meter and pump. The first one is the Bennett type. You can see on the top of the fuel dispenser, it's Bennett flow meter and the Bennett pump on the.
Yes, it's band pumps. So this is motors.
Yes, this is motor.
The
And the
second one.
second one is the Tatsuno type. The third one is the Tokium type. And if you don't like these three combinations, you can also choose Bennett flow meter and Tatsuno pump,
Token pumps.
Tokium pump, Tokino pump.
Yes, this is based new to operation. This is special for the Nigeria market.
Nigeria.
And the Burundi people like this one.
Burundi
So
people.
people just based on customer requirement, we can customize it for you. You can just show your idea, we can do for you, no problem. Okay, for the wattage, how many wattage we have?
We have
For
two
for fuel dispensers, the
two
bigger one.
big one. We have two cans, three cans, 220 and
Yes,
380.
yes.
Also, you can choose 110
Yeah.
volts.
Wattage, yes, no problem. For 110, it's a little special. Like you using in Japan, some South America country like this one. Okay, this is submersible mesh type, but
Without pump.
When is the pumps? I can see the pumps. There's only the filter here.
Let's-
So how is this working? Can you tell me?
Okay, let's look this picture.
Okay.
You can find that pump and motor,
Yeah.
and you can put the pump and the motor into the tank
Yeah.
in such a way the submersible pump
Yes.
submersible push the oil from the tank to the fuel dispenser.
Yes. 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 Yes.
There will be a tap connection the tank with the fuel dispenser,
Yes.
so the fuel dispenser can work without the pump and motor inside it.
Okay. So this no noising, right? Suction for suction type, the noising little higher.
Yes, it
Oh, this-
will be quiet and very convenient to install.
Yes, it's cost lower. So do you like submersible pumps?
Yes, I like it because it will be very quiet.
If the submersible pump broken, what happen?
What happened? It will be very worse.
It's okay. Just ask your engineer to maintain it. It's okay.
Yes,
So
okay.
let me see some spare parts here. Cindy, can you introduce me about the spare parts from the top to down?
Okay, this is our controller. Besides it is solenoid valve. This solenoid valve, we called it French solenoid valve.
Yes.
And this one is thread solenoid. Thread.
Yes. Oh, this connect with different, right?
Is this one? Yes. This has thread outside the solenoid valve.
Yes.
And this is for LPG.
Yes, is this for LPG?
Okay. And this 4 nozzle is manual nozzle.
Yeah. No, this is LPG nozzle, right?
LPG nozzle.
This one manual nozzle, this is a bigger high flow rate. This is
High flow rate.
For high flow rate. The bigger one is a 1.2 inch and 2 inch is
1.2
another.
inch.
Yes.
This is 1 point inch. This 2 inch.
Okay, so this
Okay,
is
this is autumn nozzle.
so which one we usually use?
We usually use the left one, right?
This is one. What's the model? This original is from the OPW, right?
Oops.
So for the controller, you have marked many marked here. Has name here. So number one keypad. Oh, it's keyboard. Sorry. Number one keyboard. We just connect here to the carbon by keyboard, right? Number two also keyboard. This 1 2 1 2 keyboard. 3 4 is a display board. 3 4 display board, and the temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is a 5. 5 is here. Temperature sensor usually used for the LPG type. Fuel dispenser don't usually have. So for the 6 is a pulse pantone port for the painting the receive for you. For the receive, you can get the receive from this is LED control signal, or it's for LED control signal. You can install the LED for our fuel dispenser. Put it here, the controller can send the words to them.
So our controller can control LED,
Yes, and the painters.
keyboard.
Yes, master can control the keyboard.
How many nozzles? Two
So,
nozzles.
yes, two nozzles usually
Two
for this one. So this have many things here. It's easily for you install the connect board with our keyboard, something items as you prefer, right?
Okay.
计量筒. So let me see the spare parts here. So can you introduce me the electric one, or you prefer to pneumatic for me firstly?
The electric one.
Yes.
This is display, 3-in-1 display, and
Yeah.
you can find the color is blue.
Yes.
And besides it is 2-in-1, the color is white.
Yes.
And this one is same to this 2-in-1, but the color is blue.
Yes.
If you like, we also have yellow color.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. So we can see you have the blue color and the white
White
color
color
and
and the
the
yellow
yellow
color.
color. If I like orange, it can do also, right?
Yes.
So what's the order quantity?
Order quantity
Yes.
500.
500? It's too much. If I order 40 high Q container, like 40 units, like 50 units fuel dispenser, can you do it for me?
Yes, we can.
Okay, no, the 40 is too high. What is this one?
This is LED.
Is this LED?
This
Yes.
two LED is different size.
Yes. So what's the color? How many color you have for the LEDs? How many color of you have for LED?
Blue, red, yellow, and
Yes,
and
it's very colorful.
the other.
I think your standard color is a red one.
Yes.
Standard color red one, can I change you have yellow, blue, like also I can put the white, right? So what's the order quantity? 40 high Q is enough or not enough?
40 high QQ is enough.
Okay. So what's this?
This is breakaway.
Yes. What's this used for? Can you tell me?
This
Could
is,
you tell me?
This is useful to use to protect the fuel dispenser because the hose will break down if the nozzle is forget to put off. As you know, if the nozzle is forget to put off the car, the hose will be pulled off and then make the fuel dispenser down.
Yeah.
But if you install this breakaway,
Yeah.
when this happened, the hose will be break down, so the fuel dispenser will still there.
Yes, you mean when accident happen with the nozzle still in the vehicle's tank, right?
Yes.
So the breakaway break it down and protect our fuel dispenser to save the cost for the filling station, right?
Yes.
Keep us still working with the accident.
Yes, you only need to replace a hose.
Okay, yes. What's this one? Breakaway.
This is also breakaway.
Okay, you have two types.
Yes, we have two types.
This looks like the OPW type. So the cost higher?
Yes, the cost will be a bit higher.
Okay, so can I get some discount if I have big order quantity? If I order the 40 high Q, can you give me some as free spare parts for me?
Yes, we can if the quantity is 40 high Q.
Can I get the motherboard, like a mainboard, and the keypad, display, passboard, keyboard? Can I get some few as spare parts?
Yes,
Free spare parts.
Yes, we can. Welcome to send inquiry to us. We will talk then.
Okay, thank you for your kindness. It's no problem. So what's this as for? Can you tell me?
This is swivel.
Yes.
This is non-fixed swivel.
Yes.
And this is fixed swivel.
Yes. Same, different side. It's
And this also is swivel. You can see this swivel can
yes.
install 180 degrees.
180. Yes, 180. Maybe is 270. It's okay. We can use it. No problem.
Okay.
What's this one and this one?
This is oil injector.
So why it looks like different? Install way different?
This one is installed for the low hand hose.
Oh, okay. So I can see on the side
Yes.
panel, right?
Yes.
So why is this one like a little longer?
This one is used for the high hand hose.
Okay, for hand hose, right? So
High-hand hose.
I can hear on the top, right?
Yes, you can see it clearly,
Oh, okay.
right?
So what's this as for? Tell me.
Can you guess what's this? And what's the function of it?
Yes, okay, I will. So this is a shut-off valves installed on the submersible pump, the piping line between the filter and between the filter. The filter is here. This one installed here. Then your piping line come to the filters. when you have some problem about the pumps, you need to close this one and for maintenance, so the oil cannot be put out to protect. If an emergency happen, we cut down, also protect the fuel dispenser, fuel not come out. This is important for the submersible pumps.
Okay.
So you have looks you have many colors of the hose, right? So I can choose many colors, right?
Yes.
Can
And
be keep the same price for the black one. If I like yellow, I can use the same price as the black one.
breakaway?
Black 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 one, black
Black one.
hose.
Black horse. The price will be a little
A little higher.
expensive. Yes, a
Okay.
little higher.
Okay, it's no problem. If I order more, can I get a discount?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Oh, look, you have the big size one, right?
Yes, big
Hose.
size. This is 2 inches, 1.5 inches, 1 inches, and this is our
3/4.
normal size.
Or standard 3/4, right?
Yes, standard.
So can you tell me the key part? You have the black stick one.
Yes, plastic one.
So
And this is a metal one.
yes. So how many color of display you have?
How many color
Of the display you have?
play? I'm not sure.
Same as the display board, right?
Yes,
Okay. So what's the P1, P2, P4, P3 use?
this we can call this for convenient buttons.
Yes.
Because we can set some, for example,
Yes.
you want to refill 3 liters, you can just set P1 and
3 liter.
yes, 3 liters.
Yeah.
Just for example. So you can just push the P1, it will refill. It will be very convenient. So,
P1 star, right?
yes, star.
P1 star. So
Yes.
if I prefer 100 yen, right?
Yes,
110, I set it in the P2, maybe 200 in P3, 400 in P4, right? So
Yes.
I press P4, P3 starts 200 and feeling directly. Oh, it's
Yes.
very convenient.
yes.
Your
it's
engineer
very-
is very good.
Yes, our engineer is very good.
So this looks same as IC card. Can I use it for bank card?
Bank card? Yes, it can use for bank card.
But I need to supply you the political from the bank, right?
Yes,
Okay, I need to pay them. Okay.
yes.
So can you introduce spare parts we see already, right? So can you introduce me some of the fuel dispensers?
Let's move on this fuel dispenser.
Okay.
This is Win Plus.
Okay, it looks very high. What's the height?
The height is 2.3 meters.
2.3? Oh, it's too high. So can you tell me what's happened about this one?
This one you can see
Yes.
the display is 2-in-1 and the color is blue.
Yes, the water is white, right?
The word is white, yes.
Can I paint in this one for Russia's?
Yes, of course.
Fresh?
Okay,
Arabic?
okay.
Oh, no problem.
Yes.
You can paint in anything as a
Whatever language is
Okay.
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 Yes.
So for the unit price, I can change, right?
Yes, you can change.
If
and,
I don't want the small decimal, you can remove, right?
Yes, of course. We will provide a guidebook, and
Okay.
if you don't know how to adjust,
Yes.
we will teach you. We will teach you. Send a video to you
Yes.
or send the words to you.
Okay.
It's okay.
So you will service for me 24 hours online, right?
Yes, whenever.
Yes. Okay.
Just shoot video to us or send a message to us. We will reply you in time.
Okay. No problem. So what's this used for?
This is TV,
Small medium, right?
small media, yes.
So I can play some
Music, video,
and some. Can I use the English?
English,
Yeah.
yes. English is okay.
Okay, so I can send this one to English type, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what's this used for? Can you show me?
This is a happy button.
Happy button.
You can push it and
Okay.
if something happens,
Okay.
and then rotate it.
Come back, right?
Yes, come back.
So no, maybe not the happy button for workers, maybe happy button. Put it down, not you don't need the worker, get a salary. But for the stations boss, not good. We need to keep a machine moving and moving, filling and filling. We can get more monies. So anything you can tell me more?
This keypad can put IC card in it.
Okay, so the IC card I can use for IC card for filling, right? No need the cash. No need the cash for pay
Yes.
the okay.
Yes.
So I can open the card for my customer. Then customer can use the card filling only in my station. We can control the money just in our pocket, right?
Yes, can earn more money.
So for the we can control the workers. We can charge how much money you in the cars. Then they filling put the car here. How many they fill in 1 day? We can check the car and the cash to compare there's a liar or not a liar, right?
Yes.
So how about this nozzle? This original OPW?
Yes, this original OPW.
You
and
can supply the original things, right?
Yes, we can also supply.
It's very good. So maybe you can introduce me next one.
Okay. Next one is night.
Next one.
Next one is night series.
Okay, it looks very big.
Yes, it looks very big, and it can serve LPG,
Yes.
unleaded diesel,
Okay. Only like some gasoline or purchase, right?
gasoline, petrol.
Like this one.
Yes.
Just another name. So what's this working?
What do you mean?
I mean, how's this big one sell to which place? Like some Russia?
Like Tanzania?
No, Tanzania is too far. It's Africa. It's in Russia, and you can learn like this one. Tajikistan, like this one. Okay.
Pakistan, okay.
So the one side, and how many nozzle can be working? Because just one display.
One display.
Yes.
Only one nozzle can work at the same time.
So another side, how the nozzle can be working or not?
Another can work.
Just
Yes.
You mean the one side, only one nozzle can be working, right?
Yes, on this side, only one nozzle can work, and the LPG also can work.
Because you have another controller for
Yes,
the LPG,
another
right?
controller and another keypad on this.
What's this used for?
This is this emergency button?
This is another
this?
switch. Open, you can fit in by the nozzle. If
We-
closed,
Lock this nozzle.
it's another switch, like this
Nozzle
one.
switch.
Like this one, same function, it's another switch.
Okay. I got
LPG
it.
need to use this one for open and close.
Okay, I got it.
If you can see is a gradient pressure. The pressure is too high. You need to close the pump and check it with your tank and your piping line. Maybe otherwise some accident happen. So can you show me another one?
Next one.
Yes.
This is a ticket printer.
Okay, print the receipt for the customer, right?
Yes. Just push the open button. Oh, there's a problem with it.
No, not a problem. This is just you open it, you install the paper here. Painting is in the keypad.
Okay.
So what's this?
This is LED display.
So how many color you can supply me?
We can supply red, blue,
Yeah.
and orange is okay. Also okay.
Can I use a pink?
Pink,
Yes.
okay. Pink is okay, but
Pink like
is,
the ghost, like beauties. I like a pink. Can I use?
okay. You can, it's up to you.
I only one unit is okay.
One unit. Can you order more?
No, I can pay much more money for one unit.
Okay, okay, much more is okay.
Okay.
And you can put
What's this
advertise on
function
it.
used for LED light?
It's for advertise.
Yes, to like it's for what's
Welcome,
welcome to where?
welcome to our filling station.
Only
or
filling station? Okay.
Welcome to genuine machine.
Oh, okay, no problem. I think it's a real machine, right? Not the fake machine, right? It's real one. Yes. Also have the emergency stop, right?
Yes, emergency stop.
This is a high hole or low hole for the nozzles.
This is high hole, and the length of the hose is 4.5 meters.
Okay. So is this what's the height of this one? It looks a little higher.
Yes, it is 2.1 meters.
2.1? And maybe
Am I right?
maybe 2.2.
2.2.
Little higher than this one.
Oh yes.
So if I have problem with the electricity, so do you have any way help me to solution that?
Of course, let's look next. Next fuel dispenser.
Okay.
You can find there is a solar panel on the top of the fuel dispenser.
But the solar panel is not too much bigger. What is the supply for which one?
It supplies the controller.
Yes.
Controller behind it.
Yes.
And you also can find a battery in it. The solar panel,
Yes.
the battery
Yes.
can save the electric on it.
Yeah.
And it supply electric to the controller.
So how many hours can working for the controller?
7 to 8 hours.
Okay. How big of the battery?
The battery is 38
Ampere hours.
ampere, yes.
If like this one, I think around about 10 hours. It's okay, no problem. So for the pumps, how they working?
The pumps,
Yeah.
as you can see, there is a crank. Just,
It looks heavy.
no,
Can you fast? Oh, it's just normal.
yes, it's soft.
What's
not
the
heavy.
what's the flow rate? 35 or 40? Around like this one, right? The flow rate.
45.
45 it's by motor. I think it's 35 or 40 like this one around.
35.
Yes.
Okay.
So this must help people to manually handle with this one. This can use for deep, far away from the city center and the town center, right?
Yes.
So we have solar panel connect the sunshine turn to the electricity. The battery receives the electricity. The electricity when power off, the battery supplies the electricity to our controller. The display board and the keybind and the solar panel. Not the solar panel, sorry. Solenoid valves to make it open and close. Yeah, but the motor is power is too big. So we use a manual handle to suction the oil come to filling. So for the submersible pump, can we use this one, the manual handle?
I think can't.
Yes. Why?
Because the motor and the pump is not inside it.
Yes.
This manual crank is used to rotate
The
pump.
Yes, rotate the pump. The pump has the power. So
Yes.
it can suction the oil from tank.
Yes.
So it's a very good design. So can I be your solo agent in some countries? What's your limited for me to solo agent? What's the MOQ for the per year? And what's any you wanted me to do?
The MOQ is 300 per year.
It's not too much.
Yes, you can.
Okay. So anything show me again?
Next fuel dispenser.
Yes. Tell me.
You can find a special.
What's this?
This
Can you tell
is,
me?
This is hose reel.
Okay. Oh.
The hose is hand low,
Yes.
but the hose is very very long. So you can choose a hose rail on the top of the fuel dispenser.
Yes, no problem. So this
Can
two.
you have a try to?
Oh no. Try. This is used for the protect the hose. Don't touch the ground, right?
Yes,
To make the working life more longer.
make the hose clean.
Clean. Sometimes clean is okay.
Yes.
To protect the working life longer. So any others for this one? This one special design, little special. What's the name? What's this popular use?
This is popular use in Africa.
No, I think in Myanmar.
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 Okay.
So Myanmar people like this one. Do you like this design?
Yes, I like it.
How many you plan to buy? How many you plan to
It's
buy?
up to the price.
I give you free. How many you want to buy?
100.
Okay, no problem. Give me money. No,
Okay,
no
okay.
free gift. Next
Okay,
one.
okay.
Okay,
It's
perfect.
very nice.
Okay, this is little special. Instruction for use. It's very good for the workers, right?
Yes.
Can you introduce me this one? This is a breakaway. Can you tell me what's the function again? From top to bottom, okay?
This is maker series, and there are two breakaway.
Yeah. So this looks like it's have the unit price, have two unit price, right? But
Yes.
it's only one display. So the two nozzle can working at the same time or not?
The two nozzle can't work at the same time because you can
Yes.
see there is only one keyboard,
Yes.
and this price is for the
Green nozzle, right?
green nozzle, yes, and this is for the red nozzle.
Yes.
You can only use one nozzle at the same time because you can see the sale liter is only one.
Okay, so
Yes.
just I take one for working.
Yes.
If two car come in, another car need waiting for
Need
first
waiting.
one to finish, right?
Yes,
So back side also same, also one nozzle can be working.
yes,
right?
yes. Also
So,
one nozzle.
so this also the stop switch. Why is it a little different?
This is another type of emergency stop button.
Okay, we can try more, no problem.
Yes.
It looks like big. Can I use this one for my fuel dispenser?
Yes, of course, the cost is a little higher.
Why always a little higher? I give big loading quantity. Can you keep a same price for me?
This boot is much bigger, so the cost is higher.
I give you large order quantity. Can you keep discuss with your boss? Give me discount.
Yes.
Okay, any others show me?
Next one is TS series.
Okay, it's like very nice.
Yes, very nice.
Can you introduce me for this area?
This area, there are two flow meters, one pump, one
Yes.
motor,
Yes,
and the flow meter and the pump is Tatsuno.
yes. What's the raw material?
The raw material is aluminum,
Okay.
and you can see there are two flow meters.
Yes,
Two flow meters
yes.
supply two nozzles,
Okay.
but there is only one pump. So
Yes.
this fuel dispenser is used to serve one can of fuel.
Yes, such like I
like-
only can fill in gasoline or only for filling the diesel, just for one, right?
Yes, just for one.
Okay. What's this one?
This one is X-proof.
Also for the power inside, right? Power.
Yes,
For the
power inside. Yes.
For the power come in here. Power come in here, then supply the power to controller and the motor, electric motor, right?
Yes.
What's this one? This blue one is what?
This blue one is motor. The voltage is 220.
Oh, 220, right?
Yes,
Okay, it's
220.
nice. It looks very quality, high quality.
Yes,
So
high quality.
your hydraulic area, it looks very clean and nice.
Yes.
What's this?
This is solenoid valve, and this type is thread type.
What's this used for? If we install this or without this, what's happen?
This solenoid is to control the flow rate of the flow meter.
Make more accuracy, right?
Yes.
Make more accuracy. If without the solenoid valve, accuracy will be lower.
Yeah, will be
No,
low.
not very bad. Very,
Yes.
very good. Okay.
Yes.
If installed solenoid valves, the accuracy will be better.
Yes, be better.
High accuracy.
Yeah.
People like high accuracy, right?
Yes.
I like high accuracy. So can I change the motor to another voltage?
Yes. You can also choose choose the motor 380.
Okay, 380, 110 is okay or not?
110, yes. Okay, also okay.
Can I use the DC power?
DC power, okay. DC power,
So DC power is another type of pump and motor, right?
yes.
Okay. So can you introduce another thing for me?
Next one.
Okay. What's the name of that?
This one is
Century.
Century series.
This is another button looks like a little different. Can you tell me how is it working? You can take the nozzle. Yes, take the nozzle. That's not running, right?
Yes, it
Open, yeah, on. This is just if your nozzle button has this function, when you put it on the vehicle's tank, there are no feeling. Just keep some safety, no problem. Why is this one only one display? I think in 2 nozzle fuel dispensers usually have 4 display. The customer requirement.
because there are yes, the customer required.
Okay,
And you can if you like, you can choose 2 display on this side and another 2 display on the back side.
Okay.
It's all standard.
Can I install this one inside the side panel?
Yes,
Can I use another size?
yes, of course.
Can I install here?
We don't recommend to install it here
Oh, but why?
because
Yes.
the display need to connect the wire to the controller.
So have the electricity, right?
Electricity, yes. If
But,
you
but this side is maybe have the fuels,
Yes.
have the gas,
Yes.
not the safety.
yes,
And
not
we need to make
safety.
it
Make
explode,
everything
explode,
safe.
explode, right?
It's proof, yes.
So any other thing show me again?
Totalizer. This one totalizer.
Okay, I think every fuel dispenser has a mathematical totalizer.
Yes.
So this can be issue or not issue. Can I change the number by manual handle or something? Can I use the keypad to change it?
Yes, you can change it.
This one, I think cannot be changed. This totalizer, how to change? Cannot be changed. For electricity, we can check the totalizer, right? High, low. You can see just cell 765.04, 399.39. Let's check the totalizer. Totalizer cannot be changed. You can see shift 1, shift and menu 1. High degree or low degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 80 plus 80. We can display the 16 degrees on here. So can I introduce another one?
Yes.
Okay.
This one is Hope series.
Okay. It's like a little fat.
little fat and a little small.
What's the height?
Height is 1.85.
1.85.
1.85.
1.85 meters.
1.85.
This is printer, right?
Yes, printer.
For the receiver. Printing the paper for customers, the receiver, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is all the keypad protect. The keypad protect.
Yes.
So anything you can show me again. So this have two display, right? Totally 4 display from foreign and the bank.
Yes. This display is for the back nozzle. Sorry, the left nozzle.
Okay.
And this display is for the right nozzle.
Okay, it's very nice.
Yes.
So what's loading quantity for the 20 GB container? What's the loading quantity for the 20 GB container? Like this one?
20 piece of fuel dispenser.
Yes, around, right?
Yes.
So for what's about the 40 IQ or 40 GB container? It's not
40
very high,
IQ.
I guess.
Around 40 pieces.
40? 40 pieces, right?
40 IQ.
Yes.
44.
Like
Right.
40, like 44 to 50, like this
44
one.
to 50.
We have a range because the size different, the loading quantity different.
Yes.
So any other thing show me?
You can see there is a truck carrying fuel dispenser.
So you can introduce me one by one.
This one is very small,
Yeah.
and this display is separate display,
Yeah.
separate type, and there is one keyboard.
Yes. So
Besides it, this is hose reel.
yeah.
The length of the hose is 10 meters.
Can I use 15 meters?
50 meters is also okay, but the hose reel will be much bigger.
Oh, okay. So this is 1 inch, right? Can I use a smaller one?
Yes,
What's the smaller one size?
smaller one size 3,
3/4. Okay.
3/4.
Okay. This is like use a DC power. This connects the battery.
Yes, connect batteries.
Yes. So I can use DC. Inside they have the pump motor together, complete one.
Yes, complete one.
Can I use AC voltages?
AC voltage is also okay, and the height of the truck carrying can be higher.
Okay.
Because otherwise it will be not big enough to install.
Oh, okay. So can I have some question? Can I use gasoline?
Yes,
If
gasoline is okay.
diesel is a little cheaper than gasoline, right?
Yes, diesel
Why?
is because if you serve petrol,
Yeah.
we need to choose the pump proof.
Yes.
And if you to serve the diesel,
Yeah.
the pump we can choose a cheaper one, because it don't need to exprove.
Okay, I got you. So for the Explore one, I can use for gasoline and diesel, right?
Yes.
For unexplore only for the diesel.
Yes.
So if some customer insist to use the unapproved one for use the diesel, it's okay or not?
It will be not very safe.
But I will try. I want to try. So it cannot be suggested based on you. Okay.
Yes.
So can I package with wood case?
Yes. But our standard package is hard cartons.
Hard
if
carton.
you choose wood case,
Yes.
the cost will be a little higher.
Okay, always a little higher. It's not-
Yes, but if you purchase 40 high Q, we can give you discount.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Never little higher. Okay, just the normal price. So the time. Keep it. So it's time for thanks for Cindy tell me from the spare parts and mathematical spare parts, the pumps and suction pump type and the submersible type, the controller and the nozzles, solenoid valves, display keyboard, and LED display. So for the fuel design, he's very professional sales managers. Hope you can connect with she, and she will tell you many things about our fuel dispenser and about the fuel dispenser story, and the service. We overseas service. If you want to see something more, connect with Cindy, and even I will here be with you. Happy Chinese New Year in advance. See you in next year. Bye bye.
Bye bye.